Mrs. Hardy, today I want to tell you about 21st century skills and how educators can better incorporate these skills into classrooms. It is important to be aware of digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate and utilize, share, and create content using information technologies and the internet. This is important because technology is now a part of every job and it is essential for learning. It provides easy access to information that allows students to advance quickly. As a digitally literate student, one must utilize critical thinking. It is important to practice skepticism while researching because not all websites contain accurate or valid information. Creativity is also important because many believe that technology does not allow independent thinking. However, students can practice creativity by using different computer systems and programs to express their ideas. Additionally, it is a great source for research. Like creativity, many people believe that technology can ruin both collaboration and communication. Technology allows students to easily obtain ideas with others and to also share their own thought processes. Communication does the same thing, but students can also use professional social media. It can allow them to network, form connections, and find out information regarding different occupational opportunities. These skills all connect to the ISTE standards for teachers. One of the standards is to model digital age work and learning. Teachers must be aware of all of the advantages technology offers and do the best to incorporate these throughout one's classroom. Additionally, it is important to understand the 21st century skills and to also use these in a classroom. After discussing all of these objectives, you can use this information to partake in an activity with other teachers that is listed below and discuss it with them further.